Hi viewers, and welcome to my tutorial for today. I sincerely from my heart appreciate you guys for watching my videos. And please, if you are yet to subscribe, just touch on the red icon to subscribe. And also touch on the notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So today we shall be making a satin bonnet head wrap. So for this, I'll be making use of two different satin, one flower satin and one doll face satin. And of course, plus my elastic. So the measurement I'll be needing for this is 12 inches, both for the folding. So here, I'll measure from this place, from this point. But first of all, you fold your fabric into 4. I folded into 2, then I now fold again, making it 4. So I start my measurement from this point. So I'll just measure 12 inches round. So after that, I will just connect the lines together. So like this. So I'll just cut it out this way. So here is it, and I will use this one to cut out the same thing from this plain satin. I'll cut out the same 12 inches. But remember, this 12 inch is totally depends on what you want. If you want your own to be more bigger, you can use 15. If you want it to be more shorter, you can use 10. But I want my own to be this 12. So I'll just use this one and cut out the same size from this plain satin. So now this is what we have. I will just face the right face to the right face of this doll face. I will join them like this and sew it round. Then I'll just leave like 1.5 inch open where I will use in turning it out. So I'll just leave like 1.5 inch for the turning. So when I'm sewing, I will not sew up this place. I'll just sew round and stop here. And I'll start from this place and sew round. Okay, now I've also cut out the strip for the wrap. So I use 55 inches for the length and 3.5 inches for the width when folded. But when unfold is 6 inches, then plus the half, which is 7 inches. So the half inches here is for the joining. So I'll just go to my machine and I'll sew it up this way. Hope you can see it. I'll sew it up this way. Like this. Then I'll come straight. Then at the middle, I will leave like 1 inch for the turning, where I will use to turn it up. So I'll just quickly go to my machine now and do the sewing. Okay, now as you can see, I've finished joining the two together. So from this opening here, I will just use it to turn this one inside out. I just turn it out. So I'll have something like this after turning it. So I'll do the same thing here. Just cut out these excesses here. In this one. From the opening that I left here, just use this. I can use my hand, but it's more faster using something to turn it out. Use this way. I'll do the same for this side too. So after turning it, I'll just use my iron to press it, then now close up this opening here. For this one, I'll measure 1 inch. I'll measure 1 inch round where our elastic will be sitting. So I'll just measure 1 inch. Round this place. So now I've joined the lines. I'll now measure the head round, the head I'll be wearing this bonnet. So the round head I'm using is 21. So I'll just measure out 21 inches from this elastic. So now I'll go to the machine and sew this place that I marked. I'll just sew it round first before inserting my elastic. I've sewed up this 1 inch. So from this opening now, I just use my pin. I'll now fix it. Then I'll push it inward. So here, I just open up this pin and hold the two edge. So I'll just shift this. So I'll go to my machine and hold the two head. I'll just swap the two head together. So I've hold the two edges together. So I will now close up this opening here. Then go to my machine, fold it. I'll now stitch it up. And that will be all for our hair bonnet. Okay, this is the result of our hair bonnet. And I can also turn it up the other, and this is the other face. And I can also use my strip, tie it up. Thank you for watching till the end. Till we meet in my next class. And please, if you are yet to subscribe, just touch on the red icon to subscribe. And also touch on the notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Love you all. Bye.